Introducing the state-of-the-art nano-indentation machine, designed to revolutionize the way we understand material properties. With unparalleled nanometer precision, this machine measures hardness, elasticity, and other critical properties of materials. Characterize a wide range of materials, from metals to polymers, with exceptional accuracy and minimal sample damage. Transformative applications in coatings, electronics, biomedical engineering, and energy make this tool indispensable for innovation and development. Advanced software provides comprehensive data analysis, ensuring you make informed decisions with confidence. Visualize precise load versus displacement behavior for comprehensive material insights. Compare material conditions with high-resolution before and after indentation images. Capture intricate surface details with 3D imaging for a deeper understanding of material properties. Unlock the future of materials testing with our nano-indentation machine. Contact us today to learn more.